is going on, everyone? It is Gia here representing JiasWorld. It has been forever since I've done an unboxing. But let's get into this unboxing. So, what is in this priority mail? What's in here? This time I have scissors, so we're not doing it the janky style. Okay, so all right.
Summertime, baby, I'ma need another hit.
A lot of bubble wrap. They want to make sure that this was packed correctly and safe and protected. Ooh, I'm gonna be popping these.
Summertime, baby, I'ma need another hit.
See it? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Voila! It's a Canon 50mm prime lens. I've been wanting one of these for a while. This is freaking awesome. But that ain't the only unboxing. Let's put this over here. One more.
Life. Low on sleep, down on luck. I've been up all week. Maybe you could be somebody that changed me. I've been faded quite lately. It's no fun when you're alone. Now I gotta call a taxi. My car broke down, that battery. I've been blocked off my
sticky too.
Uber. The driver's up if you ask me. Cause I was smelling like an ounce.
What do you think it is? It's another Canon. What do you think it is? It's another lens. It is the 10 to 18mm wide angle lens from Canon. Let me tell you guys, shop around, look at the marketplaces, look at eBay, look at Amazon, look at B&H, look at the marketplace, look at, where you can get things for a good deal, okay? Because I got both of these for $250. Those of you who actually know the real price of this know for a fact that, matter of fact, let's look at the real price, right? Because we do have technology, right? We're just gonna use the Amazon app. This lens is $279 freaking dollars. This is a used one, barely used, in really good condition. $250 for both lenses. This is normally $279. Let's look at the 50mm lens. Canon is normally $125. Okay, so I got both of these lenses for $250. This is normally $125. Now you can go on Amazon because they've got it where you can get the Canon Portrait and Travel 2 lens kit with the 50mm and the 10 to 18mm for $349. And it's normally $429, but they got it on sale for $349. I saved $100. And lenses, glass. I'm telling you, your lens make the shot. But anyways, just thought I would do an unboxing. Okay, shop around, look around. Anyways, I will do some test videos with these lenses very soon. Make sure you guys thumbs up, okay? Thumbs them up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new content. Deuces.